Oh, hey there. I didn't see you. Sorry, I was just busy patting myself on the back for an amazing day in the market. Holy crap. I made, what was it, $830 in 30 minutes of trading. That's unbelievable for me. That's amazing. I showed a lot of discipline compared to yesterday. Excuse me. My throat's always messed up in the mornings. I showed a lot of discipline compared to yesterday. I took less shares. I was waiting for better entries. I had amazing exits. I was just reading the market really, really well today. There was one mover. There was only one name that I traded, and it was SEII. So it provided a lot of opportunities, not only out of the gate, like right at the bell, but later in the day or in the morning, because this was maybe 10 or 15 minutes later, it dropped and then it started to curl back up and it came all the way back through the highs, pushed through the high of day, and kept going to make new highs. So I was scalping, I was in, I was out, I was in, I was out, in, I was out, and I captured almost the whole thing. My biggest loser on a position was 2 cents. So I think I had 500 shares at that point, so that was a $10 loser. Every other trade, there was like 15 trades, 12, 13 or 14, 15 trades. Every single one of them was a winner. So 30 minutes of trading, $800. I cannot complain. And I can't wait to show you guys this video, this footage, my thought process. This is all live. I'll show you exactly what I did. So let's go have a peek. I'm just kind of excited, not only for what I did, but for what I didn't do. So yeah, I made a lot of money today, but I also didn't do a lot of behaviors that put me into trader rehab. So that is also what I'm very, very happy about. I wasn't overtrade. Well, okay, I took like 12 or something, 13 trades on this. I don't think it was overtrading. I was just actively trading it, and maybe this will help me kind of reform my strategy, as in hold for longer times, maybe, and sell for bigger profits. But I don't know, because I played this really, really well. I was in, I was out, I was in, I played this pop beautifully. I got my sells out. I missed this pop, but I was in for here and then selling and then back in and then selling and then back in, and like I was nailing all of it. I almost got high of day fills. It was absolutely beautiful. So finishing up $827 by 9:51, 20 minutes into the day. That's my last trade, and I was using 300 shares, 400 shares, 500 shares towards the end. So wow, guys, just wow. This is going to be a good one. Hopefully, again, this is not just to brag. I'm doing this channel. I made this channel so that I can help people out and kind of document my journey. And this will hopefully be a really informative video and show you some of my thought process. I'm going to have to edit some of it out because there was a train going by for the first like 5 trades. So the microphone sounds a little crappy. Maybe I'll leave it in if it's super useful, or I'll talk over it. So if you randomly hear me talking, that's why. So anyways, let's get into it. Let me pull it up here. Hey everyone, so there's not a whole lot on the scanners today. Again, we're in this kind of choppy market that isn't giving us a whole lot of opportunities, but I think by far the best one here is SEII. It started to pop up around 9 o'clock. Well, earlier than that, and then it faded, and now it's back up again. It's right at its 200 moving average. So if it holds 420 and surges through 430, I would get in the high 20s and probably try and sell up towards 50, maybe 40 for my first block of shares, and then over 50 for my second block. So I don't know. We'll see what happens here. The bell's gonna ring in 5 seconds. So. There's a seller at 27.
Order filled. Order partially filled.
Trying to get out here.
Order cancelled.
I got 300 shares out. We might keep going, so I'm gonna hold on for now.
Order filled. Order
Yep,
filled.
I'm just getting in and out.
Order
I'm
partially
gonna get
filled.
all out unless we have a
Order
break
filled.
of 550 here. We're on. There's. Oh my god.
Order filled.
I got filled 400 shares on that dip. I got it at 389. Oh my god. Look at that. That's crazy. That's so crazy. I'm gonna just hold on to this and see what happens. Added
partially
500
filled.
shares at
Order
415.
filled.
My stop would be at $4. My average is 402 right now. Sorry, there's a huge lawnmower outside. There, I
Order
sold out. I
cancelled.
sold out of that.
Order partially filled.
I'm in for the first 1 minute candle to make a new high. I'm gonna sell up after this guy breaks at 414. I guess my hard stop is 399.
Order partially
Added for the
filled.
break of
Order
415.
filled.
I'm gonna try and get a sellout towards 25. That's the plan.
Order partially
Getting
filled.
bought up at 427 here.
Order filled.
30 shares left.
Order cancelled.
Sold out. Last
Order
30.
filled.
Volume's picking up. I'm in
Order partially filled.
for the break of
Order filled.
439. Trying to get out here.
Order partially filled.
I'm out for
Order cancelled.
675 shares. I'm going to hold on to these 300. My average is 430.
Order
Added.
partially filled.
For the break.
Order
Okay,
filled.
it's not breaking.
Order cancelled.
437 average still. I'd sell the whole thing if it dips under 437. Might break through 450 here. 49, 50, 60. Got
Order
my
filled.
600 fills out there. Not yet. Not yet. One more little push. There.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
I did that with 1,000 shares. That little scalp there.
Order cancelled.
Yep, in 470 for the break
Partially
of
filled.
477.
Order filled.
Now I'm almost all out.
Order partially filled.
I made another 15 cents
filled.
on 500 shares right there. You can see my entry and my exit. Now, if I was cautious before, I'm even more cautious right now. Because, again, that sold off for now. I have nice profits on the day. So I'm just going to try to protect that more so than risk, you know, all of it just to make more money, because I think that's a little silly.
Order partially
I'm
filled.
in here for the 1 minute
Order
candle to
filled.
make a new high, but I will be out the second it touches 451. Because this could be a false. I have a feeling this trade is going to be the first loser. I just added 100
Order
shares at 460 to bring me to 500 shares total. Trying to get out here at 466. Trying
Order
to cancel my
cancelled.
order. We'll see what this does. If it makes another push, I'll sell it into the 70s. I got a little greedy. I might have missed that
Order cancelled.
that exit there. I'll take 300 off here
Order filled.
at 470. If this guy breaks, yeah, I sold into
Order
him
filled.
as he's breaking at 468. So hopefully that was helpful for you guys. Like I said, some great trading today. I wrote down, so I only had the one name here. I'll just show you the P&L, just so you know. It's right here. My commissions were high because I traded this so actively, and you saw that, right? So each individual commission is not that much, but it adds up. So that's why that is so high. It's just a beautiful trading, and I still left money on the table on that first near, excuse me again. Sorry. Just redo this. So, yeah, I hope that was helpful. There was some really great trading in there. I mean, that's what I wrote down. Beautiful trading. I still left money on the table on that one near bottom tick dip buy. So if you remember on the video, this one, so maybe I can just pull that up super quickly here. Right here, this dip buy. For a moment of time, I was up another $100. So maybe I could have made that if I had sold out, but my strategy here when I averaged up, when I bought some shares here, was that this was just going to continue back to high of day, because we didn't know that it was going to do this and then consolidate and then push through. It could have easily just done that immediately. So that's why I did that. But I'm not going to complain about that at all. That's completely fine. Today was amazing. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. We can see here, I'm still pushing up through the 130s. When we get to 250, I'm going to give away some Bitcoin. So make sure you smash that subscribe button. And hopefully you have a Bitcoin wallet I can transfer you. We'll do 25 worth at 250 subs. At 500 subs, I'll do $50. And at 1,000 subs, the holy grail for me, I'll do $100 worth of Bitcoin. So we'll do a giveaway. Maybe it'll be based on the comments or something, but once I hit 250, that's the first one. So if you guys please could subscribe, that would help me out so much. That's all I ask. I appreciate everything, all the views, everything. So with that said, ask any questions if you have any in the comments. I'll be sure to answer them. Other than that, you guys have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.